Got one. Got a nice little black. Probably about a 10-inch fish. Nothing huge, but probably about a 10-incher, I'd say. If I get my live well with it. It's froze shut. There's a fish. Looks like a big one. And it is. It's a nice crappie. Oops. White. Fish there. Probably about 11.5 inches, I'd say 11.5. Nice white one. This time of year you get it makes it tough, but at least we can get out and go, huh? Calling for, missed one there. They're calling for a lot of snow here today. A lot for us, probably 12 to 14 inches I'm thinking that we're going to probably end up with when it's all said and done. There's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Yeah, another nice white one. Yeah, it's a good one there. I'm just throwing a crystal Bobby Garland today. Chartreuse and green leadhead. That one's probably pushing 12 inches. That's a pretty healthy fish there. That's a nice white. Pretty good one. Like I said, my live well's froze shut, so we're just going to have to use Mother Nature for a box today, I guess. A little better cast, for Pete's sakes. Man, it's hard to cast, man. Really hard. There we go. It's a little better. Let's see if we can't pick one up on this. Nice little stack of them in here. It's a pretty good fish, actually. Another one, pretty decent. Another one about 11 and a half inches there. That's pretty good fish. Kind of how it goes. You get in the spot. Oh, there's one. Just about to say, give up on this. Feels like a nice fish. Yeah, it is. That's a good one. Nice black. Nice eater, not huge. Probably about 10 and a half, 11 inches. Nice eater, nice thick one for the frying pan. Oh, I had one there. There he come back. See that? There he is. Pretty good one. A nice black. Yeah. There we go. Not a huge one, but a decent eater.
So you walked enough off the bottom?
Yeah, they're pretty tight to the bottom. That one was anyway. Yeah. What we got here? A dink? Oh no.
Oh,
that's definitely not what we're looking for.
There we go.
You get one? Oh, there's a slab. What you got back there, Eric?
Hey, that's a pretty nice fish.
That is a nice fish. Keep on doing that till I tell you to stop. Let's see what you got there. Nice.
Oh, you got him on the, you got your video?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to record this. So who's that crazy? Who's crazy enough to come out there and fish one day like today?
I'm telling you. I found my good friend here, Eric Hamilton, everybody. It's a very good friend of mine who I've had the pleasure of knowing for several years. One of my best friends and great fisherman. We've had a lot of fun together.
Yes, sir. Right back at you, brother. Thank you. Shorts, you know, but I like fishing all year long.
Oh, what you got there, Slick?
That's a good one. That's
Eric's got a Jim Dandy on there.
Well, he's a fighter.
What you got, buddy?
White bass. White bass. Oh my. I thought I felt that head shake, quiver.
Well, there's 2, 3 strikes, we're out. Here's one.
Tell me that ain't a white bass.
I don't know. I think it is. No, it's not. Holy smokes. Holy
there, son.
cow. Look at what a crappie.
That's a Yankee Doodle Dandy.
Man, that is a tank.
That's a 13-incher right there.
That's a bruiser.
He'll go 13.
That is a tank.
Nice.
Holy smokes, what a crappie. That's what we're looking for today. We come here for this.
That's right. That's better than government check, ain't it, Jeff?
Oh, that's better than a box of Ritz crackers and a can of squeezed cheese there, buddy.
Lordy, lordy, lordy.
With some smoked oysters.
Now you're getting somewhere.
I don't know. Is it possible for anything to be that much better? I don't know.
I don't know. 13-inch crappie in the blizzard ain't hard. That's hard to beat right there.
Man, you know what? I think you're right. Let's go ahead and measure this guy. This one here, this is a good one.
He could have 12.5. Worst day, wasn't it?
I'd say so. Let's measure him here and we'll find out. Oh my gosh. He's almost 14.
Wow.
He's 13 and a half. 13. Yeah, he's 13 and a half. He's a good one.
You don't do that every day.
You don't. And that's kind of what we're looking for.
Yeah.
Oh, what you got, Eric?
He's a good one.
Is it?
Yeah, he ain't no white bass.
Awesome, nice fish, nice black one.
Yes,
Oh, that's a dandy.
He ain't no monster like you, but all happy with him.
He's a good one.
Yes, sir. Nice.
Pretty fish. Here, you need these weenie pinchers?
Well, yeah, because I ain't about to take these gloves off.
Here.
We can get frostbit.
Hold him up there. Hold him up for the camera there. Hold him way up there.
Hold him out like that?
Yeah, bring him up here a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice one. There you go, buddy.
Thank you.
There's our live well today. My box lid froze up, so we're just chunking them on the...
Get them snow covered.
Yeah.
All right. But the chance of being retired is about non-existent right now. My fingers don't work all that good on a warm day.
Decent fish.
Yes, sir.
Fishing in Winter Storm Blair. Even got names for them.
That's bad when it's a name storm. It's not just your regular storm, it's a storm with a name. That's bad.
I don't know how I did that, but I don't think I could do that again if I tried. Did he miss you? No. Oh, you got him. What you got there, old buddy?
Don't feel too bad.
You got a scrapper.
That's a white bass.
Yeah. Was he quivering? Was he, Eric?
Yeah, he got quivering.
Oh, they quiver, don't they? Hey, speaking of quiver, guess who called me last night? I bet you never guess.
Catfish Johnson.
Oh, man. You know what? That was pretty unpredictable. I really didn't think you'd guess that.
He's a beautiful man, isn't he?
He is a beautiful man. He's a Yankee Doodle Dandy.
Oh boy, one of a kind.
Well, it's not very warm out here, but it's beautiful.
Oh yeah.
I'm liking it. Oh, what you got, Eric?
You don't feel too bad. He's bad.
Oh yeah, there we go.
He needs to grow up. We need to turn him loose.
Huh?
If he make 9, he barely.
Yeah, he's 9.5. Here's your board if you want to find out. He's 9, I'm sure of that.
Gotta be legal.
Yeah, make sure, but I think he is.
Yeah, closer to 10.
Yeah, I figured so. Them white ones will fool you.
Would be bad get a ticket on a day like today.
Oh.
I mean,
it'd be bad any day, but today would really be bad, wouldn't it? Uh-oh, what we got here?
Right there.
What we got here?
That's a fish, yeah.
Oh,
That's better.
decent one.
Yeah, I like old Dave. I haven't seen him in a long time.
You probably haven't seen him in a long time, have you?
Well, back when he used to creek fish all the time, I'd occasionally talk to him.
You haven't seen him since he's been down to the creek?
I passed him on the road before I talked to him. Yeah.
Wow. That has been a while, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, what you got, Eric?
He popped it pretty good. He ain't bad. He ain't bad. No, he ain't big.
Well, he'll eat. He ain't shabby.
He's a fish.
He's a fish.
Real easy. You got your... Yeah. Hard to run them things.
Yeah.
Boy, that big one sure makes the rest of them look bad.
It does, don't it? You need to catch a few more of them like that.
Well, yeah, that was a hog, yeah. That's fish Ohio crappie in the middle of a blizzard.
Yeah. It's amazing, another half inch or an inch on a crappie, how much bigger they can get. Well, that's with any species really, but crappie is especially noticeable. You know, these small panfish like perch and bluegill and crappie, man, you get another inch on a crappie, man, it can look like it's twice the size, can it?
Yeah, they get a lot more in girth.
Yeah.
I don't know about girth. I've gained some girth too.
Over the years?
Over the years, yeah.
Yeah, I need to lose some girth. Okay, well, I made it back to the house in one piece, and Eric went home, and we had a great time. We caught some fish. We caught a nice mess of fish to make us happy out in this crazy weather. So snow's really coming down. So figured it was time to get out of there, but had a great time. Appreciate y'all coming along with me, and until next time, God bless you all and take care. Thanks for watching.